So whether you're looking to add a gigantic analog clock on your home screen or a digital type one for your OnePlus phone, whether it's Android 14 or Android 15, go ahead and install this free Google Clock widget app. Okay, so go ahead and install it. It's free. You got nothing to lose. Once the app has been fully installed on your OnePlus phone, go ahead and long press a blank area like this here, and you're going to look for widgets, this right here. As you tap on that, you will now go down the list of different widgets, not this one here. You're going down until you see this right here. So once you get to this part here and you want the analog one here, you'll go to analog. And as you tap on it, you'll see these different types here. And for some odd reason, this time around, Google has kind of changed things around, or maybe it's just a OnePlus phone, but it doesn't seem to really appear as round as it used to be. So I just had a little glitch earlier a while ago. When you do this here, it might not be as round. So it just kind of adjusts to the sides here. Notice how there's a flat one there. And maybe yours might be different, but this is how you would go about doing it. You'll add it like this here. And if you long press it once again, you can come back and shrink the size of it or perhaps move it around. Okay, and once you've done that, you're good to go, like it said.